Hey guys, so today we're gonna dye my girl Janet's hair over here. I'm not gonna tell you what we're doing, we're just gonna do it, okay? Okay.
There's that thingy, but you're gonna be too tall. Can you? Oh, it kind of works.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get it. Yeah. Okay. All right. So. You get damn.
Okay, wait. So you want me to go like boom? Just like. Okay.
You nervous?
Yeah. Ooh, sorry.
Right back.
So we just finished. This is it right here. So yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
And I'll check back in with y'all in like 30 minutes. 30 minutes. All right. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. So we bleached the roots. Now we're gonna do the color. Yeah. I told you I'm not a vlogger, bitch. You wanna explain?
Alright, so we got the So Color Cold bitch shade. I can't fucking speak. I need a ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, so we got the So Color Cold Demi-Permanent in the shade of Orange Alert from Matrix, and then I also got the same So Color Cold Demi-Permanent in the shade Red Hot. So we're just gonna add a little bit of this into a little bit, so it, you know, is a little red fiery orange, and you know, a little Mike and Ike, you know?
Period.
Yeah, let's get it.
Oh, I look so gross. This is where we're at, guys.
So I actually forgot to record the final result of Janet's hair. So first of all, here is going to be the before, like the actual before, and then over here is going to be the after. It came out so good. Doesn't she look so good in orange? But anyways, so yeah, my bad. I just came here to like show you guys that since I didn't record that. Continue to watch this video, and y'all about to hit the makeup part of it, so you have to watch that.
Hey guys, so today we're gonna be doing Miss Janet's makeup because you know her hair is this fresh orange color. I was gonna say green. This fresh orange color.
Are you colorblind?
I'm like,
Miss Sharihu?
So yeah, we're about to glam her up. She doesn't know what I'm doing to her. I'm just doing it. So yeah,
Let's get it.
the video ended super weird. My bad. I just don't know how to record things apparently, and I was being rushed, to be fair. But yeah, you guys. So here is the final result of what Janet's makeup actually came out to be. I feel like it complemented her hair really well. I'm a little color whore, so you know I have to do something with that orange. But yeah, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow my Instagram right over here at Glam by Daijiah. I'm going to be posting a lot more content, so just stay tuned and stay patient because your girl be busy and I try to make time for this stuff, but you know. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed and thank you for all your support and your love, and until next time.